go. From Croatia. Freshly killed and cooked lamb.
Čekaj, nek imamo ju kila.
And look at his tongue.
Idemo back.
Obama, ja. Njemu će po 7 kilo.
That's a weird sound.
To ima, idite slikat. Poor lamb.
On the other side. I want to see them cut off legs.
Poor lamb.
Ajde, vlači tu.
Rikli.
Ček.
Jami ga.
Bogat,
This is going to be good. They're going to pull it off.
Jami ga.
They're going to pull off the leg.
Čekaj, govorite. Ajde.
Here it goes.
Koliko uri ili sati ga pečete?
Sat i pol do 2.
Bude gotovo.
Ne, sat i pol do 2. Uvijek i... Ako je malo veći, a oni klokana peču. U Australiji uvate klokana da peču. A znali iz Australije klokana uvate.
I want to see the heart.
Ja.
No, they took everything out.
There it's udders.
No, everything's out. They gutted it already.
Ja, sve se
It's just
vadi.
meat. Just meat, guys.
Je ovo dobar isto?
Klokan.
Pa nisu ne Australija, oni su Amerika.
Amerika nije
Čak da
Australija.
klokan peči to može. Ne da peče Amerika. Kangaroo.
Kako reći kangaroo?
Oh, Ethan, look.
Klokan? O, nisam to znam.
Klokan hrvatski, ja.
Rip it apart.
Here we go.
Oh, cut it in his
God mene, ajte ga bilo rat itos kad ga ubije.
Yeah, I want to keep the head. I want to keep the head.
Kaj ima ikad,
It's all going in, guys. It's a dinner table.
Is that it? Or did you forgot to cut the leg?
Vruće. Peć.
Još nam treba staviti kako
Pa.
je. Smrdi briga.
Je, fuj, ja to nikad nisam jela.
A, je. Je smrdi kad se pazi. Je smrdi kad pazi. A, nisam. Ivana.
No, it smells good.
Čuvaj se.
Yeah.
Robi jedan pijat ako...
Delicious.
Robe, jedan pijat i...
Ivana, jedan pijat.
Hajde, Ivana.
One plate. Bring to us, please.
Pijat, da mi ti...
Ivana. One plate.
The balls.
Please bring.
A baš čuvat nije.
Ivana. One plate.
That's his balls. That's not his balls.
Nikki.
Chicago.
Nikki. It is hard.
Huh?
Nikki.
Want to eat it? $10 you eat it.
Nope.
I'm trying to cut it.
We'll get the kidneys or something.
Nikki. Ah, get the balls. I'm cutting the
We're
balls.
on a farm right now. Middle of nowhere.
Ide.
Eat.
Okay.
Pop it.
Nemoj više. Evo.
Ivana! Robe, pusti me tu.
Moje pojzbuje.
I would have killed you. You would have been murdered. You funny. Trying to put testes in my mouth.
Hello, bye, Mali.
Ne.
No.
That's okay. Here, ready?
Never do that again. That's weird. Cut the balls.
It was trippy, huh?
Kako to ide bez mene?
Balls.
Please.
Hello, Mom.
You gonna cook it? Dog. Really nice house.
What's your name?
I'm Kyle.
My name is